In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search by face in Google Photos. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, the process is quite similar. So let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your device. This app is your gateway to organizing and finding all your cherished memories. Once you've launched the app, you'll be greeted by the main screen. Now let's move to the next step. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several options. Tap on the one that says Search. This feature is where the magic happens. It allows you to dig deep into your photo collection to find exactly what you're looking for. Now scroll down until you spot the People and Pets section. This is where Google Photos showcases its smart facial recognition capabilities. Tap on View All to proceed. Here you'll find face groups that Google has intelligently detected. These can include both people and pets. Next up, you'll want to select a face from this list. Tap on a person's face and you'll have the option to name it. Naming a face is crucial because it allows Google Photos to link all images of that person together. This step is important because it streamlines your future searches. Once you've labeled a face, return to the search bar. Now type in the name you've just assigned. Google Photos will then display all the photos containing that face. This feature can be a huge time saver when you're trying to locate memories with specific people. Now, let's touch on some important notes to ensure everything works smoothly. For the face search to function, you need to have face groups turned on. If this isn't enabled, the feature won't work as expected. To check or change this setting, go to Google Photos, then tap on Settings. From there, navigate to Preferences and look for the option called Group Similar Faces. Make sure it's turned on. This little step is crucial because it ensures Google Photos can recognize and organize faces properly. Remember, you can only search by name if you've already named the face group. Without a label, the app won't know which face you're trying to find. So take a moment to name each face group as you go along. With these steps, you can effortlessly search through your photo collection using facial recognition. This feature not only saves time, but also brings a level of organization to your digital memories that is truly invaluable. Whether you're looking for photos from last year's vacation or those adorable pet pictures, Google Photos makes it easy. Congratulations, you've just learned how to search by face in Google Photos. This powerful tool will help you find exactly what you need, right when you need it. Thanks for joining me today, and happy searching!